Today we got a Chromebook where the charger has broken off in the charging port. So I'm going to show you how you could potentially get it out. And what I would recommend is to find a little pick set like this. And they sell these at Harbor Freight for like $2 to $3 maybe. I don't remember. Sometimes they even give them to you for free. And all we're going to do is pick one of these picks and pick it out. I'm going to go with this one. So on this particular model, there's like a little hole in the middle. Kind of push it in. I think it's plastic, so I might be able to pick some of the plastic. Almost picked myself that one. I feel it coming out already. It's kind of like it feels like dentistry for cheap computers. All right, let's try a different one. This one has more of an angle. So try to be careful not to like damage the port anymore if you're planning on reusing it. And I'm sure I could find like another charger online for like a couple bucks maybe. So I'm sure this isn't the first time this has happened. Amazon will probably have them cheap. At least to give it more life. So this one seemed to work for me a little bit better. As you can see, it's coming out. So I'm going to try to tweeze the rest of it out. I have these tweezers right here. Now that it's kind of sticking out more. And just be patient. Be careful. And there you go. You got it out. And some pliers won't never hurt either. Wow. The piece that we got out. And this is where it broken off. So just have to look for another piece like this. No need to throw away the Chromebook or anything like that and make more electronic waste. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you want to, and don't forget to subscribe.